Well, some lawmakers want to know why the Department of Homeland Security is apparently on a huge ammo buying spree. This is a just-placed order for more than 300,000 bullets, just the latest in a series of contracts that could add up to more than 1.5 billion rounds of ammo over the next 5 years. Critics say that's enough bullets to supply the equivalent of the Iraq War for 24 years, and they want to know why the DHS is doing it. Congressman Doug LaMalfa is one of the lawmakers demanding answers. The California Republican joins us now via Skype from Redding, California. Congressman, good to see you. So let's cut right to the chase, because some of the conspiracy theorists online say this is our government buying up bullets to use against us. Are you one of those who believes that?
Well, you know, that might be reaching a little far at this point.
People have been complaining that they can't get ammo for some reason right now. What is your theory on that?
Again, these are questions we want the DHS to answer for us.
Are these purchases being conducted in a manner that strategically denies the American people access to ammunition?
What do you think the deer you're hunting wear Kevlar vest? What the hell you need 20 bullets for?
A 9mm bullet blows the lung out of the body.
No amendment to the Constitution is absolute.
But while he tries to claw back at your Second Amendment, we're learning that he's quietly arming the government to the teeth. Federal agencies are buying up an unprecedented amount of ammo, but not for the FBI or the DEA. Agencies that we've never even heard of are stockpiling ammunition like the apocalypse is around the corner. Do you know what the Railroad Retirement Board is? Doesn't matter. They spent thousands of dollars on 9mm bullets. Are we worried about train robberies? I'm not sure why an American taxpayer is buying retired conductors' bullets. The IRS is also loading up. They've spent $750,000 on ammo just this year alone. That's enough for a small army. I guess Zelensky has enough. The timing's strange. The country's going through an ammo shortage, and the government's buying up as many bullets as they can get their hands on. Is that related? Why is the Biden administration doing this? I don't know. Is Biden weaponizing the IRS again like Obama did against the Tea Party? What does an accountant at the IRS need a firearm for? I'm gonna pay my taxes, guys. I swear, don't shoot.
And there was a report that showed over a 10-year period, the IRS actually stockpiled $11 million worth of ammunition to suppress access to ammunition for regular Americans, while with the other hand, they are scooping up all of the ammo that they can possibly find.
The U.S. military preparing for war right here in these United States. The upcoming U.S. Army exercise known as Robin Sage will have troops stationed in 25 counties in North Carolina. They're reportedly learning guerrilla-style warfare tactics to combat potential homegrown threats and potentially overthrow an illegitimate government.